Hi everyone. During this lockdown, I've been feeding this robin and putting food onto that little post, and every morning it seems to come to say hello, and it sings beautifully. So it's got into a routine really of having food on there. This is just broken up little fat ball. And sometimes it'll come and it'll just stay singing on there for ages. And then sometimes it'll just sing for a bit and then just go onto the post. And then I also dig some soil so it's got some worms. So why don't you try something similar at your house or your school?